Hi, welcome back to my channel Nesbacks and Cooks. Today I've come up again with a very amazing recipe. So in order to know it, I would like to request you to please watch my video till the end patiently so that you will not miss out any of the ingredients that I'll be using as I proceed further. So let's get started. Here I've taken one big sized persimmon which I've already peeled from before, and now I'm going to peel the kiwi fruit also. In this way I have removed the skin of both the fruits. Here I have taken 500 grams of homemade cheese cream. I have already uploaded a video on it, so you can check it from the description box. I'll give you the link there. I'm going to slice the persimmon into small pieces. You need not slice too small also because I'm going to make a puree of this. Let's chop the kiwi also. It's almost done. In this way I have chopped both the fruit. Now let's proceed to the next step. I have placed a pan on the stove. Into this I'm going to drop the chopped kiwi. I'm keeping the flame on medium. Into this I'm going to add around 5 teaspoons of sugar. Sugar you can add as per your taste. I'm going to cook till the sugar is completely melted. We need not overcook it because I'm going to make a puree of both the fruit. So it's done. Now I'm going to place the next pan for the persimmon. Here is the persimmon. I'm going to add around 3 teaspoons of sugar. Here also you can add as per your taste. I'm going to cook same like how I have cooked the kiwi. Here I add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. So you can see the sugar is completely melted. So let's remove it from the stove and start making a puree of both the fruit. In this way I have made the puree, you can see, persimmon and the kiwi fruit. Let's keep them aside and proceed to the next step. Here I have taken around 20 pieces of Oreo cookies. I'm going to crush them. So into these crushed cookies, I've added 50 grams of melted butter. Let's combine them thoroughly. They're nicely combined. So now let's get ready with the ring mold. Here I have taken an 8-inch ring mold. So I'm going to drop the Oreo cookies and press it with the help of a spoon. This will be the base of the cheesecake. It's done. Now I'm going to pop it inside the fridge and keep it for around 15 to 20 minutes to let it become firm. In the meantime, let's start with the other ingredients. In the saucepan, I'm going to add half cup of fresh cream, now I add half of the homemade cheese cream, which is equal to 250 grams. Let's combine the two ingredients thoroughly. I'm going to place these on the stove. Here I add 2 teaspoons of agar-agar powder, now let's place it on the stove. I'm keeping the flame on medium. Here I add 200 grams of fresh milk. I'm going to boil till the agar-agar powder is completely dissolved in the mixture. We have to keep on stirring continuously so that it will not clump up at the bottom. After one boil, I'm going to add the kiwi puree. I'm adding around 3 teaspoons of sugar. Sugar you can add as per your taste. Here I add the kiwi puree. It's 250 gram. Let's mix it thoroughly and boil for 1 minute. And after that, I'm going to remove from the stove. It's done. Let's remove it. Let's take the mold. You can see it has nicely set, isn't it? So now I'm going to pour the kiwi mixture into it. I'm going to keep it aside till it becomes a little bit cool. After that, I'll keep it inside the fridge for around 20 minutes. In the meantime, let's start with the next procedure. I'm adding the other half of the homemade cheese cream, 250 gram. Into this, I'm adding 200 gram of fresh milk and half cup of fresh cream. Let's give it a mix once. Now I add 2 teaspoons of agar-agar powder. Let's place it on the stove and boil. So I have placed it on the stove and I'm keeping the flame on medium. After one boil, I'm going to add the persimmon puree. So here I add the puree and I'll cook for 1 minute. It's done. Now I'm going to remove from the stove. You can see the kiwi cheese cream has nicely set. So now I'm going to pour the persimmon cheesecake on top of this. But before that, I'm going to place the sliced kiwi on the side. It's done. Now I'm going to pour the persimmon cheesecake. And after it becomes little bit cool, I'll keep it inside the fridge for around 4 to 5 hours or until they are nicely set. After keeping in the fridge for around 5 hours, I have taken it out just now. But before unmolding the ring, let's loosen the sides a little bit. I'm also going to wrap a hot towel outside the ring so that it will loosen the cheese cream from the base and it will be easy for us to unmold the ring. I'm going to slowly lift the ring. Here it is. Look at the sharp edge. So sharp like a knife, isn't it? I'll zoom and show you the cheesecake. I have decorated on top with some sliced kiwi, persimmon, and one small cherry in the center. The different colors of the fruit has beautified the cheesecake. Am I right? I'll cut a slice of it and show you the texture. Isn't it so smooth and silky? So I'm sure you will try to make this cheesecake. If you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and yes, please do comment also. I really love going through your beautiful comments. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you so much for watching my video patiently till the end.